Elephant is a herbivore. He eats bushes, tree bark, and roots. He is a very lovable animal and loves kids. Zebra. Zebra eats grass, herbs and shrubs, and even tree barks. They like to eat all kinds of grass. Rabbits. Rabbits are also herbivores. They like to eat carrots, hay, or fresh grass. Cows. Cows being herbivores, they like to eat hay and fresh grass, like rabbits. Panda. Panda likes to eat bamboo shoots and leaves, and they're also herbivores.
Horse. Horse being herbivores likes to eat hay and grass. But their diet can also include fruits and vegetables.